Meaning of ginseng.
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 Ginseng. Ginseng is a highly valued herb known for its medicinal properties. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in Asian cultures. Ginseng is believed to have beneficial effects on a variety of health conditions, including improving cognitive function, reducing fatigue, and boosting the immune system. It is also thought to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Ginseng is available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and teas. Due to its popularity and potential health benefits, ginseng is widely researched by scientists and continues to be a popular supplement around the world.